I'm inclined to support the Constitution. The Constitution makes it clear, very clear, how the chairman is to be appointed. I don't have the authority to go outside of the Constitution. All of my actions have been in accordance with the Constitution.
You're sticking with your 2 mandates.
All I'm saying is that my actions so far have been in accord with the Constitution of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana.
Today, on the sidelines of the installation of Argentina's ambassador to Guyana, President Granger was asked about his reluctance to appoint a substantive Chief Justice and Chancellor of the Judiciary.
The Guyana Bar Association and the Lawyers Association have been calling for the confirmation of the acting Chancellor and Chief Justice. Are you inclined to support their cause?
I don't have the authority to go outside of the Constitution. Everything I have done is in accord with the Constitution. If other people can tell me what part of the Constitution empowers them, I would like to become aware of that myself. I do not have the authority to go outside of the Constitution. As far as your first question is concerned, I've answered that already. I am required by the Constitution to do certain things, and I have obeyed the Constitution in every regard.
Asked if he is still sticking with his preference for Justice Kenneth Benjamin for the position of the Chancellor, President Granger answered in the affirmative. He explained that his decision and preference for Justice Benjamin was born out of a very deliberate process and that he plans to stick with it.
That is well known. That is well known. I took my time in making that decision, and I'm not prepared to throw it out of the window.
When asked about his promised meeting with former President Barajagdio, President Granger said,
"Well, I have other business to discuss with him, the appointment of the chairman of the Public Service Commission and some other commissions, and when Parliament gives me those names, I'll put all of those on the agenda for the meeting."
For Channel 2 Headline News, Wendell Jeffrey.
Thanks for watching Headline News. Leave a like or a comment below. And for updates on the latest news happening in Guyana, click the subscribe button.